Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So, having the right string lights can really add a nice ambiance to your backyard. And these outdoor string lights by RTTY have done just that. The lights are LED and shatterproof, and when I received the packaging, I was so impressed that none of them had broken. They're waterproof, snowproof, and sunproof, so you can leave them out at all times of year, which is a great bonus. I got the pack of 200 feet, and they were very easy to set up. They have little clips on the side that make them easy to hook onto trees or to the house. I personally am really impressed by how much light they bring into our backyard. Right now, it's dusk and the light isn't too bright. It's very soft and really creates a nice, warm environment. And now it's dark. And look at how well they light up my yard. If I'm having company, I can enjoy my outdoors even in the dark. These lights can also be added to a dimmer switch, which is a really nice feature that helps really set the outdoor ambiance. The package also comes with 4 extra bulbs, which I appreciate in case one of them does go out or breaks, and they're very easy to replace. I really love my outdoor string lights from RTTY. They make my backyard feel so warm and inviting. And that's my point of view.